Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Airbnb filters. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, let me just go ahead and look for the place I'm headed to. And once I've looked for the place I've headed to and the date and the guest, right, all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on this filters tab. Now what I can do is go ahead and play around with the prices. So for example, if I want something that is $200 to maximum $600 a month, I can simply go ahead and look, and there are still places in Bangkok, Thailand for these prices, as you can see. So that is about it. Now if you want to simply go ahead and look for other things, for example gyms, if you want to go ahead and look for other places with one bedroom, one bathroom, Wi-Fi should be there, air conditioning should be there, pool should be there, you can simply go ahead and search for it like this, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.